while holding Shift down. Press Escape key to undo selections. You can cut, copy, or delete any object right-clicking on it. You can click on Lock Object to block the object as it is, in case you don't want to move or edit it until you don't unlock it. You can delete pairs of objects using the Eraser tool, which is inside the third buttons list. This deletes pairs of vector objects and pictures, but doesn't work on artistic media traces or text. Keep in mind that, in case the object has a stroke, this will be updated. And if you cut an object in two parts, these may seem independent, but indeed they do remain dependent, since you move and select them always together. If you want to cut parts of an image, the easiest way is to duplicate it first, and then use the Shape tool. Drag the nodes or the edges to cut off what you don't need. You can also add new nodes double-clicking to create a custom shape. Select an object and drag it to move it. If there are more objects selected, these will be all moved in the same way. Then you can use the squared black nodes to scale the object. Each object is inside a virtual box whose center is indicated through a black cross. If you click once on the object selected, the nodes become black arrows. You can use these to rotate or skew the object. You can move objects while using other tools. If you drag an object with your right mouse click and choose Move here, you will directly move without enabling the Pick tool. While you are using the Pick tool, you can scale and place your object more precisely using the property bar, typing precise numbers. Press Enter key to apply. Moreover, you can rotate the object selected, setting the right degrees, or flip horizontally or vertically using the two buttons more on the right. You can set other options using the object properties on the right. On top, choose the section, and then modify the stroke color, line, any transparency, sun filling, or gradient. Just remember that the square with its diagonal shown means no color. Use it to remove any filling or stroke applied. There are many other tools you can try. The second button collects many effects you can apply on selected objects. All these work if you click and drag the pointer on the object interested. Then you have other effect tools, like the two ones above the eyedropper tool. In these cases, you have to click and drag just once. For example, you can add shadow using the Drop Shadow tool. Remember to use the property bar to change the effect settings. The object properties on the right are always referred to the object itself and never on any of its effects applied. So if you need to edit the shadow in the future, you have to activate the Drop Shadow tool again and use the property bar, and so with any other effect. Key points are very useful while you draw and are indicated in blue color. Object edges are indicated through a square, nodes and angles through a bigger square, central points through a target, and midpoints through a triangle. Then you can add some text. Simply click on the A icon in the toolbox. Click and drag on your workspace to create a text area, a virtual rectangle that fixes the boundaries for the text inside. Click and drag on the cross to move the text. Use the black and the white nodes to size the text area. If it's too much small, the text won't be shown, and the rectangle becomes red. Use the property bar to set the text properties, for example its font and size. Select the text first to make changes effective. In this case, you can also use the object properties on the right to add stroke, gradients, or set the text distribution. What if you have objects overlapped? You need to use the layers in the Object Manager window on the right. Each object is a sublayer listed in this window. In short, the object that is upper in this list is shown on all objects that stay more below. So you can choose to place the text on or behind an object, simply changing its position in the list, simply by clicking and dragging up or down. When you are done, save your project. Simply click on the Save icon on top. Choose the destination and its format. In case you save it as .cdr, you will save it as a Corel Draw project. This can be opened again by this software to edit it further in the future. You can open this again going to Open. It will appear in another sub-window right above the workspace. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our channel for more amazing softwares.